Good morning, students. I hope so you all are keeping well. So let's begin today's English class. Today, the date is 12th of June 2021 and the day is Saturday. So let's start today's class. Today's topic is chapter number 5, that is helping verbs. So we are going to continue with the next part of the chapter from your New Learners English Grammar and Composition book. So all of you turn to page number 40. So I hope so you all have turned to page number 40. Yes, today we are going to start from exercise 2. So what we have to do in this exercise? Let's find out. Rewrite the sentences using the shortened form of not with the helping verbs. So in our last class we have already discussed how we have to make the shortened form with the help of the helping verbs. So let's start with number A. We should not shout in class, but we can shout at the picnic. So, we have to write the short form of should not. Yes, you all know it. So, it's we shouldn't. So, you will, instead of writing the O for not, not, we are going to put comma. So, we will write we shouldn't. SHOULD apostrophe. So in place of O you are going to put apostrophe and then you will write the T. So that is the short form of should not. It's shouldn't. We shouldn't shout in class, but we can shout at the picnic. Now we will move to number B. My aunt could not play Chinese checker. So we have to find the short form of could not. Yes, you are correct. So the short form of could not is couldn't. My aunt couldn't. So we will put could and not together. And in place of O, we are going to put apostrophe. So the spelling of couldn't is COULDN apostrophe and T. Couldn't. My aunt couldn't play Chinese checker. Full stop. Number C. We are not happy with the high temperatures of the summer. Yes, we have to find the short form of what? Yes, we have to find the short form of are not. So what is the short form? Aren't. What is the short form of are not? It is aren't. So how we will write? We aren't. AREN apostrophe and T. We aren't. AREN apostrophe and T. We aren't happy with the high temperature of the summer. Now come to number D. Will you not have the sandwiches? So we will find the short form of will not. Yes. So what is the short form of will not? It is won't. So what is the spelling? WON apostrophe and T. WON apostrophe and T. Won't you have the sandwiches? Question mark. Now move to number E. My uncle did not want to drive the car. So we have to find the short form for did not. So how we will write? My uncle didn't want to ride the car. So what is the spelling of didn't? DIDN apostrophe and T. DIDN apostrophe and T. So in place of O you will put apostrophe. My uncle didn't want to drive the car. Next one is number F. Is he not coming for the picnic? So we have to find the short form of is not. So it is isn't. ISN apostrophe and T. Isn't he coming for the picnic? Question mark. Number G. I cannot run as fast as my cousin. So we have to find the short form of cannot. So what is the short form of cannot? It is can't. So I can't. C-A-N. Only one N. Okay. C-A-N apostrophe and T. I can't run as fast as my cousin. Full stop. Number H. Does she not win prizes in races every year? So we have to find the short form of does not. So it is doesn't. D-O-E-S-N apostrophe and T. So in place of O we will put apostrophe. D-O-E-S-N apostrophe T. Doesn't she win prizes in races every year? Question mark. Let's move to number I. I could not carry the picnic basket alone. So we have to find the short form of could not. Yes, the short form of could not is couldn't. I couldn't. C-O-U-L-D-N apostrophe and T. I couldn't carry the picnic basket alone. Full stop. Now come to number J. Aunt said the basket is not too heavy for the two of you to carry. So we have to find the short form of is not. So you have already done. Yes, short form of is not is isn't. Aunt said the basket isn't. I-S-N apostrophe T. Isn't too heavy for the two of you to carry. Then exclamation, and you have to put it inside the quotation, double quotation mark. So now you come to page number 41. Yes, below you can see the revision. Yes, so in the revision you will quickly write the 4 things you know about helping verbs. So the first one is dash are helping verbs. So doing verbs are helping verbs. Next one, helping verbs have 2 forms, dash and dash. They are present and past. Next one, helping verbs help in dash the main verbs to form sentences. You will write the main verbs to form sentences. And the last one, helping verbs are used to tell the time. Helping verbs are used to tell the time. So in page number 41 you are going to complete the revision. Okay. So thank you class for today's English class. So this much for today's class. All of you stay safe and keep learning. Thank you.